Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a little bit of a dive into the latest car from Citroen. It's the all-new 2025 eC3 electric vehicle. This compact hatchback is set to make electric driving more accessible and practical. Let's have a look at some of its features, specifications and pricing in the UK. So Citroen has officially now unveiled the new eC3 EV car, aiming to provide an affordable yet fully equipped electric vehicle in the UK. The EC3 is available in two levels of trim. The Plus starts from about 21,990 on the road, and the Max starts from 23,690 on the road according to Citroen UK. And the body has got 6 variations that you can choose from. So the body colours are the Monte Carlo blue with a white roof, a polar white with black roof, a elixir red with a black roof, a mercury grey with black roof, a pearl Nera black with a white roof, and a bright blue with a black roof. Personally, I quite like the red and the bright blue. They stand out, they're quite poppy, and they look quite modern. Citroen might appear to be late to the market in terms of EV cars. However, this car could actually tick a lot of boxes that people have been waiting for to make that switch from a petrol ICE car, diesel car, to a EV without breaking the bank on upfront costs or affordability of the car. I'll put a link to the site and some descriptions on this video. The EC3 boasts a modern design with a spacious interior ensuring comfort without compromising any style. It's a very nice looking car. It's equipped with Citroen advanced comfort seats and suspension, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride for yourself and passengers. The interior features a big 10.25-inch central console screen, which is compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. Fairly standard in most EV cars. Under what we'll call the bonnet, the EC3 is powered by a moderate 83 kilowatt or 113 horsepower electric motor and paired with a relatively small 44 kilowatt hour battery, giving up to about 199 miles in real world tests. Charging is efficient with a capability to charge from 20 to 80% in just 26 minutes using a 100 kilowatt rapid DC charger. For home charging solutions, Citroen has partnered with Octopus Energy to offer the latest OMI home charger. This ensures compatibility with your vehicle and that your car is charged and ready to use when you need it. In this very competitive market at the moment, the EC3 stands out not just for affordability but also for its commitment to comfort and technology. The Max trim level adds a little bit more, features like heated front seats, heated steering wheel, wireless smartphone technology for charging, and Citroen's navigation system to enhance the overall driving. Some of these features are missing on more expensive EV cars. This 2025 Citroen eC3 is set to hit the showroom soon. Adverts are already appearing on TV and is offering an enticing option for those looking to make the switch to cheaper EV driving without breaking the bank. With its combination of range, comfort and technology, it's poised to be a very popular choice, especially those who are maybe just urban drivers who do not do many miles on a day or monthly basis, but it will do longer journeys when needed. The car itself looks very nippy. It's quite compact in terms of its size, which makes it very easy for parking, easy for getting down urban streets and roads. I think this model could tick a lot of boxes for those people that want a EV car with the cheap charging that can come with it, but without breaking the bank in terms of upfront costs. So that's all from today's update on the Citroen eC3. If you found this video informative, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe so you do not miss any future news and technology updates. And I thank you for watching. Until next time, thank you very much.